You want strong, shining and healthy hair without chemicals. This DIY carrot oil is packed with vitamins that boost glow and nourishing every strand from your hair. Let me show you how to make it at home. But before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I can't take you guys for granted. Now let's go ahead with the video. So okay guys, now I have my carrot here. I'm already peeled the carrot. I wash it. Before you are going to use the carrot, make sure you wash your carrot very well and peel it, remove the back also to make the carrot clean. So now after I make it clean, the next thing I use my kitchen tissue to absorb the water, and now I'm grinding it. Okay my people, now after finished grinding it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my bowl to put it inside. I'm going to do double boil method. Okay, so please stay tuned because you don't need to skip any part. Otherwise, if you are going to make yours also, maybe you may make it by mistake. This oil is packed with a lot of vitamins because carrot is packed with vitamin. It's rich with vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin K. So carrot is having all these vitamins is inside. It's strengthening and adding shining to your hair, regrowing your hair. If you are looking for a way to regrow your hair, this oil if you are not using it, try to start using carrot oil into your hair or add it into your routine. Okay, so now after adding my carrot, I put my olive oil inside. Olive oil also is also deep moisturizing and also having vitamin E and fatty acid, which help to grow your hair and keep your hair, because while your hair moisturizing, when you moisturize your hair and your hair is keeping the moisturizing, definitely you cannot get the hair breaking. And also it's good for the skin also. Okay, so you need to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. After watching this video, please come back because we are going to use the same oil to make body butter for my daughter, so you don't miss that video. If you don't watch this one, if you watch this one up to this point, please, thank you very much, come back and watch the next video because that one we are going to use this oil to make body butter for my daughter. So well, after adding my olive oil inside, I added my aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil also is also hydrating scalp and healthy, having vitamins. All these things is full of vitamins. Aloe vera also is having vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E and B12. Okay, so aloe vera, if you are using aloe vera inside your routine, you are going to benefit and you are going to thank me later. If you are not using it, try to start it now. So when you come to our avocado, so guys, before I tell avocado, let me break it now and tell you guys. Now I'm infusing the carrot oil. At the same time, I'm going to infuse carrot with citron also. That's the blended one. That one I dried. So the carrot one, the one I'm put on the fire, making it double boil method, that one there I make it through from the fresh carrot, but this one is dry one. So you can make from the fresh one or you can make from the dry one, but I'm going to advise you, if you are going to make it from the fresh one, please watch this video very careful because you have to, it's having a way that you can do it, otherwise you will spoil your oil very fast. So very quick, your oil will spoil very quick. So you need to watch and see how we are going to take the steps. So now this one I put 3 spoons of stream with my carrots into my bottle. I'm adding my Johnson baby oil. So after this one, that one I'm not going to show it to you people because I'm not here to make this oil for you. Okay, so after that, after I remove the carrot oil, I will replace that one also for 20 to 30 minutes before take it and go and hide it for maybe 1 month. Before 1 month later that I'm going to use it. So anyway, let's continue about our job. So now avocado, I added avocado also inside. Avocado also is also adding electricity and strengthening hair, having vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Okay, avocado also is very good, especially those who have a low prostate hair. If you have a low prostate hair and you are not using avocado oil, aloe vera oil, what are you waiting for? Try to start using it now because it's having a lot of benefits. So I'm still showing the Johnson baby oil to you guys, because in case you want to use the body, use it for yourself, I can advise you, for using Johnson baby oil is good because it's not too much oil, there's not too much oil inside. It's okay for you to put in your body. So now so continue straining my things. I'm going to leave it on fire at least 35 to 40 minutes. That is going to be on fire. So what I'm doing is I always make a low heat, okay, low heat like this to infuse it very well. So why I'm doing also, maybe this one I'll also going to explain or narrate something to you guys. So this oil, please, when you do it or when you are going to do it, make sure you do it with the right oils. Okay, you can, if it is like aloe vera, olive oil alone, even cooking also you can use to eat. You can use it and add into your food and eat. You can use coconut oil also because it's also penetrating the skin, taking care of your skin, making your skin brighten, moisturizing. So this thing is very good. Avocado, carrot oil, you can use carrot to infuse any type of oil that you have in your hand. But this one I'm infusing it very less because I'm going to add this oil into my daughter body oil, body butter. I'm going to make her body butter for her. So please, watching this video, please come back and watch the next video, because the next video, that place that I'm going to use this oil to make that butter also, so that you also can learn a simple remedy, a simple ingredients that you can use to make a glowing, popping skin for your daughter or your children or you yourself, even without buying any chemicals, without buying expensive product for your children. It's just a natural things you are going to prepare for your children. So this oil, not only the body, even you can use it for your hair also, you can use for your body, both sides you can use it for. And it's not something like there is no any chemicals, just a natural thing to glow your skin or glow your children's skin, and also used to grow their hair also, because if you are looking for a way to grow their hair, if their hair is not working very proper, use this oil and thank me later, because it's regrowing hair, stimulating the hair, adding strong to the roof also, because when your roof is strong, also adding deep shining to their hair or to your hair, adding hydration, softness, and natural conditioners and vitamins. This is the oil that I sprayed. Now I'm going to take it and go ahead to make my daughter butter, and the rest also I will use it for hot oil treatment for her. So please come back and watch the next video, because I don't want this video to be too much long. This amount the oil that we get. Thank you very much. You see, when I pour inside the down part, there is a water because of the carrot. So when you are pouring inside, you have to be careful. The down part, don't pour everything inside, because if you pour everything inside, it means you are going to spoil your oil. Your oil is going to spoil very quick unless you add maybe preservative inside. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.